in the heart of the tumultuous 19th century, a new literary era dawned, one that would captivate the hearts and minds of the world: the Age of Romanticism. The Age of Enlightenment, with its focus on reason and rationality, had dominated the literary landscape for several decades. However, as the century progressed, a growing disillusionment with this philosophy began to emerge. A yearning for emotional depth, individualism, and a closer connection to nature stirred among the masses. This crisis of spirit found its expression in the works of the Romantic poets and writers. They sought to challenge the traditional norms of the Enlightenment and to explore the human soul's hidden depths and passions. The Romantic poets, led by the likes of William Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge, found inspiration in the natural beauty of the English Lake District and the rugged landscapes of Scotland. They wrote of the sublime power of nature, of the beauty in melancholy, and of the romantic love that transcends all boundaries. In Wordsworth's "I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud," he captures the essence of this new literary movement, expressing a deep emotional connection to nature and the human spirit. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er valleys and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Similarly, in Coleridge's Rime of the Ancient Mariner, he explores the darker side of the human soul, delving into themes of guilt, obsession, and redemption. The Age of Romanticism was not without its critics. Many argued that this new literary movement was excessively emotional and lacked the intellectual rigor of the Enlightenment. However, the Romantics' focus on the individual's emotional experience and their exploration of the human spirit would prove to be a lasting influence on future literary movements, shaping the course of literature for generations to come. In the end, the Age of Romanticism was more than just a literary revolution. It was a testament to the power of the human spirit to seek out new ways of understanding the world and expressing the depths of our emotions. It was a testament to the power of the imagination to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, and to remind us of the beauty and wonder that lies within us all.